Welcome on back. Doing a little tilt trough action. They got the Dodge running good. She's running sharp, real sharp. Added a few products to the old work truck. If you don't remember the past episodes, we catch hell with this thing. It's a piece of crap. Well, we added an Elderbrock 600 carb, brand new. And we got the nice old chrome top breather. Top her off with some new plugs. Let me tell you, she's running like a kitten now. I gotta find Charlie's sorry ass. He's out here. Lord knows where. We got a lot of fabricating, a lot of welding, a lot of tightening, a lot of maintenance. You know, that when we crank back up on the Mondays, we'll be fast and loud, cutting some sort of timber. Let's get to it. I've been looking for you.
I've been hiding. Why are you looking for me?
We got work to do. Hit that like, hit that subscribe, and keep on keeping on. Come on back. I got plenty more where this came from. Peace.